Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this old nightstand into this absolutely gorgeous nightstand right here using my favorite color paint and this powder chalk additive that you add to paint by Howard. Stuff is super awesome and super amazing, and it turns any color that you love into chalk paint, because if we know chalk paint, there's not many colors out there available in stores unless you're buying stuff online, and that can get a little bit pricey. So find your favorite paint, buy this additive, which is not that expensive, and make your own chalk paint. The paint I ended up using is called Australian Jade, and it's made by Behr. It's an interior flat paint and primer mix, and it goes on so beautifully. That's the reason why I wanted to use this type of paint. I followed the instructions on the back of the bottle and turned it into chalk paint right here. And when it comes to prepping your piece, technically I didn't have to sand down my nightstand, but I did end up sanding this down a little bit because it had a couple of dings and dents in it, and I wanted to make sure I had a perfectly smooth piece to paint on. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing with that. But if your piece is really, really nice, doesn't have that many flaws on it, honestly, you can skip the whole sanding part. Just make sure that your piece of furniture is clean and lint and dirt free before you start painting. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started.